Hello, IK here. Welcome to Update Post Form Rendering. Look at down right side, the post excerpt rendered two times because we have two posts, post one and post. Now I'm going to click Update button. Look at below the post excerpt rendering what would be happen. Update, click, and we have post excerpt rendered. Uh, Post excerpt rendered because two local state in post excerpt is changed. It is look at in post excerpt. Post excerpt is child component on post list. Here it is, post excerpt. Post excerpt has two local state, show edit form and update ID. And both that state changes, here is false is initial value and here is empty, ID is empty. When we press update button, here it is, we must go down. Here is update button. On click event handler, handle update with parameter post ID, it is concretely value of post below which button update is located. And handle update is event handler. And handle update change, we look at that handle update. Handle update, when would be called, there is a concrete value of ID, and look at set update ID and set show edit form true, from false to true. Both local state of post excerpt is changed, but we have not two rendered, one for set update and one for set show edit form. Why not? Because React change state, both state in a batch, not one by one, but in batch, and it is like we have changes of that, but it is for a React one rendering, one re-rendering. What is okay, we need like that. It is super. Why two times rendered? And React, there is that in background logic of work in batch. Set update ID, set show edit form, changes in batch, and we have one re-rendering of post excerpt. Here it is, one re-rendering of post excerpt. There is nothing about update post form. Update post form now is visible in post excerpt because of logic. When show edit form is true, and when updated ID equal ID, concretely post.id, concretely value, in that moment, update form would be visible. And update form coming to be visible with the two buttons, update and cancel. When we change title and content, we will push update button. But before of that, I want to push cancel button and see what would be rendered. Okay, before we see push on click on update. Now I push in cancel. We see the post excerpt rendered down. It is last what we have rendered, and now cancel. We have again post excerpt rendered second time. Again, update. Look at 3 times post excerpt rendering and cancel 4 times. Why cancel rendered post excerpt? Because you must know, cancel in update form. It is button of update form. When we click that cancel, rendered post excerpt. It is a parent of update form. And the button of update form, cancel, rendered parent post excerpt. How it is possible? And why it is like that? We button of cancel, button cancel of update. What state would be changed? Let's get see. Here it is. Update post form. Cancel button. Cancel button. On click. On click. Call that on click call arrow function, and arrow function call set show edit form false. Set show edit form parameter false. From true, now parameter false. But it is changes of state, local state of post list. Set show edit form function and show edit form. Show edit form is a state of post excerpt. But now we look at in update post form. But show edit form and set show edit form, what we see here, is not a state of update. Look at up here. Update form. There is a title and set title, content and set content, but there is no show edit form. Set show edit form. Who has it? It has post on post list. We have post excerpt. Post excerpt have show edit form and set show edit form. And on click on the button cancel in update post form, we changes local state of post excerpt, and because of that, post excerpt re-rendered when we click cancel in update form. How it is possible that child change state of parent component? Child change state of parent component. Child update post form change state of post excerpt parent post excerpt. How it is possible? It is possible by reference, of state. Reference of state go, we pass reference of state, we pass to child, like props. Look at here. Here in post excerpt, there is update post, and here is a set show edit form. It is props, but that props, value of that props is reference. Here is a reference of set show edit form, reference. And we use that reference. We use that reference, and that reference change state show edit form. It is a reference of set show edit form. It passed. It means that function set show edit form can pass to child like props. It is known data flow down, but data flow down from parent to child by props, and here is a props set show edit form is props, and the value of that for props is reference to set show edit form of a parent, and we use that reference in button cancel. When we push button cancel, we set show edit form to false in update, and it is like remote changes from child. We changes state of parent. We changed state of parents thanks to pass by reference. Data flow from parents to child. But it is reference, and we use that reference to change data in data change state in parent. Because of that, we have click on cancel. We have changes of post. We have a re-rendering of post excerpt. Post excerpt state is changed. I repeat a lot of time that changes of state is only reason for a re-rendering component. Why? Because state is what we see. It is data, what we see on the screen. And if data changes, we must see that new data, new value of data on the screen. Because of that, component must be component owner of that data, owner of that state must be re-rendering. Owner, only owner. Owner, of course, only owner, and dependent component what also depend about that state, like child, etc. But here, when we click on cancel button, we nothing change in update. We change only post excerpt, and post excerpt changes. It is interesting that that update post excerpt and update post form, it is about one post, not about all state post list post. It is about one post, and we push update, push cancel, push update, push cancel. we only re-render post excerpt, because update cancel, we change only state of post excerpt. And we look at in rendering of post excerpt. What we change? We change state of post excerpt set show edit form and updated ID. When click on update, we change update ID and change from empty to concretely ID. And we change show edit form from false to true. When we click in cancel, we change only show edit form from true to false. And now we will have a update of update form, and it would be in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.